Today we're going to be assembling the PlayStation DualShock Controller Spools. Now first, within your kit, you're going to see that you're going to have an L and an R piece with screws pre-done in. So you're going to want to do, you're going to want to take the screws out, either with a drill or a screwdriver. Either or will work, just depends on how patient you are. Then what you're going to do next is in the base, you're going to put all the 4 screws in. And place the controllers underneath and slot it in. Won't go all the way in yet because you still need to screw it down, but good starting point. Once we're there, we just screw in. So now you have one complete kit. To put your controller in, you put the controller in first. Then you're going to want to start wrapping it up and around. A cleaner wrap will just mean that it has more cable length to work with while you're in here. Now you don't want little cable in here, you actually want a lot. So if you see that, you just go back one rung and you're back here. Next, what you want to do is you want to feed in about the right length of cable into here. Sort of like so. And you're going to push the Pharaoh seed in like this and the back of the controller in like this. Finally, you're going to place the controller in there and just take the rest as a loop, put it in like that. When you're done, controller is not going to really move around too much. It will fall out if you push it backwards. It's mostly in there, and it lays flat.